Hello everyone. In today's video, we will perform adding items to this and then searching item on a list via method. I will use this class person, and then I have already provided the setters and getters. So first is we provide a list variable. So we say call it list person. This will store um, the objects of our class. Okay, class person. The next is to define a method add. Should we say we'll call it add. So define a method. We'll shall say accept something for say object. Accept an object. Then add that object or store that object to the list. So define. Notice that it is outside the class person. The class define add, and I notice that the parameter is empty here. I did not put self or any self is not present since it is outside a class. Here, then it will accept an object. So we'll put parameter. Let me say item. That is the person or underscore person that append. We'll try to append that item. Okay, using the add method. So we'll try to run it. We'll try to perform a test. We'll declare an object p1. This was person, then shall we say a random name. App name Paymar, so check sa month. Then 20 age. And then we'll try to add the object p1 to our list. No. But before that, how about we try to check our list if it is empty or it contains something. So using the method len, then this person will check the length of our list, and then here we have 0 because we have not added something. Next, then so we'll try to redo what we did last with the person, then arc, then 20, then call the add method, then pass the p1 object, and then we try to check the length. There will change since we already added something on our list. Notice that we have now 1 because we have added 1 object on the list. Okay, so how about to try to add one more? Okay, here, but in this we have 5 since list accepts duplicate copy or it allows duplicate. Then yeah, we have another instance or object. So say p2 is equal to person, then age, then if we will not add that to we will not call the add method and submit the object p2, and then the value of our or the length of our list will still be 1 p2, and then try to run that. There we have now 2 since we added 2 items on our list using the add method. So for the sake of this example, how about we try to display the content of our list? So using looping. So for P in list person, the utilize Spring Boot. So P will try to display only the name, get name. F sorry, for the list person, for I forgot colon. Then Mark and Ben. So we display only the name. Now, what if you don't want to display everything from the list? Okay. So we will now perform a search. We'll put a search method. So we'll define a method, search method, function or method that will accept what we call a person. What will we call it? About key or input or no, we will call it key. Okay, we will call it key. Yeah, I think key is the search key is much more logical. We've got search and the key. Then hold on. About we when we call the search method, we will pass a key. So in this example, how about we will assume that on our class person, the unique value is the name. So the key here is the name. So let's just assume that there is no duplicate name on our list. Okay, so we'll use this for here. So for P in list person, then with name equals to the key. We'll compare the name of each item on the list. If it is equal to the key, search key, and then we will return true, and false if not found. Pressing the key, and then we try to look everything on the list, then compare the key on each item, and then where key is the name of our the name of the person. I'll put a comment here so that you will be reminded on what this line is all about. Okay, item the list and if found, return true. Then if not found, so the loop ended, or yeah, and then the item or the item did not, or the key was not found. So we'll try to return false. Okay. We'll try to check if the code is correct. We'll try to print. Oh no, so let's say put variable, so let's say result equal to search. Then what to search? How about we will try to search John. Then print the result, so either true or false. John is cut offs. We have an error here. So, uh, what's wrong with this part? Okay, I forgot to put a colon here, and this true should be capital, and then this false F should be also capital. There. So false, since John is not added on our list, there is no name equal to John, person added to the list with a John name. So if we'll try to search Ben, true, since Ben is um, an object having the name Ben is found. So, and then there it is. We have now successfully add an item using a method and then a search function using for loop if conditions, and we'll try return true or false. So we return a boolean value. And yeah, I think that will be all. Thank you and happy coding, everyone.